How to deactivate your Roblox account. So that is what I'm going to show you guys in this super quick and easy tutorial. So let's get into it. So on your Roblox app, the first thing that we need to do is to click the three dots on the bottom right corner of your screen, which is this one. So click that. And once you do that, the next thing that we need to do is to scroll down until you see this settings. So just click the settings icon and then click the privacy and content maturity. Once you do that, just scroll down again until you see account deactivation and deletion, which is right here. So just click that also. And then once you do that, since we want to deactivate it and we don't want to delete it, just click this deactivate button right here. And then after that, click deactivate. Once you do that, just enter your password and then click verify. And then once you do that, as you can see, we now have successfully deactivated our account on Roblox. So that is basically it. That is how to deactivate your Roblox account.